डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल डिस्कस टुडे। आज हम बात करेंगे अपने इस बुक हॉर्नबिल क्लास 11th के लिए जो है इस एडवेंचर जो कि 7th चैप्टर है, इसके बारे में आज हम पढ़ेंगे। ये टॉकिंग अबाउट द टेक्स्ट, पेज नंबर 70 है हॉर्नबिल की बुक में। इसमें लिखा डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इन ग्रुप्स। Discuss the following statements in groups of two parts, each pair in a group taking opposite points of the view. फिर पहला है a single event may change the course of the history of a nation. A single event may change course of the course of the history of a nation. इसका आंसर है in favor. The history of a nation takes long to develop, but this history may suddenly take a new course by a single event happening in a particular moment. This can be reinstated by the Battle of Panipat, when the Maratha army faced the troops of Abdali. There was no disparity between the two. Only the leadership could have made the difference. At a crucial juncture, Vishwaso, the son and heir of Peshwa, was killed. His uncle Vishnu also could not survive. For Maratha, losing their leader was a blow, and Abdali won. In fact, the Battle of Panipat was the beginning of the subjection of our country against में जो होता है, it is very difficult to believe that a single event can change any nation's history. True, Marathas lost the Battle of Panipat and it had severe consequences on India then, but there were subsequent factors which made us slaves for a very long duration. The Britishers willfully followed the divide and rule policy and ruled us for years together. A single event can affect an individual's life, but to change the history of a nation, one requires a significant chain of events to happen. इसका सेकंड है reality is what is directly experienced through the senses. इसके फेवर में है reality indeed is what is directly experienced through senses. It is limited to what we see. The proverb seeing is believing has taken its true forever from this reality. Only we appreciate beauty with our eyes. We hear with our ears because of the direct experience of our senses. We are able to disappear between good and bad objects. Gagandhar Pant had to undergo that strange experience because his mind was in the genial mood of what his senses were perceiving. इसके अगेंस्ट में आता है the mind works on different levels. It is not necessary that what we see may not be the true in reality. That is why we have coined the term illusionistic reality. Sometimes the reality is experienced through indirect instruments also. In the case of Professor Getnur, he perceived reality indirectly. He saw reality in terms of what could have been or should be. What his senses perceived was the reality he was seeing. That proves that reality has other manifestations also. Third है the methods of inquiry of history, science and philosophy are similar. इसके फेवर में आता है, आंसर में फेवर, पहले पार्ट में फेवर में आता है. The methods of inquiry, history, science and philosophy are similar in the sense that all the three deals with reality. If we have to know the facts either historic, scientific, or philosophical. We have to adopt the research method. All the three have written accounts which are proved practically. Battle of Panipat was fought and lost by Marathas. History proves that the mind can perceive two, three worlds at the same time, as proved by lack of determinism in quantum theory. It is a proven scientific theory. The mind perceives what it wants to perceive. Is a philosophical theory which is reinstated in the lesson. The adventure through Gagandra Panth's experience. The method of inquiry for history, science, and philosophy are not the same. What was already gone is history. Why did a few things happen and how new things can be made to happen? Is science philosophy deals with idealism? What it should be. Battle of Panipat, a much talked about incident, is history. We read and reread about it in history books. Gaganar Pantis' fantastic experience and his transition to another world is the journey of his mind, which can be attributed to the catastrophe theory of science. His mind's journey to an ideal world where he sees India as he wants to see it is philosophy. The fundamental base of philosophy, science, and history may be the same, but the approach is radically different. Question 2 है The story is called the adventure. Compare it to the adventure described in Are We Not Afraid to Die? The underlying theme of both the stories, the adventure and We Are Not Afraid to Die, is the same, however, the execution is very different. One deals with the adventure in a real life situation, and the other one is about the adventure that was mentally experienced in the story. We Are Not Afraid to Die, the characters take a hazardous sea yoke to overcome the odds and survive whatever the dangers were. They were very real in the story. The adventure, the protagonist does not embark upon an adventurous journey. His collision with the truck triggers his mind to travel to a world which is different from the world that he lives in. टू है क्वेश्चन इसका सेकंड क्वेश्चन नंबर टू का सेकंड पार्ट व्हाई डू यू थिंक प्रोफेसर गेटिनो डिसाइडेड नेवर टू प्रोसीड ओवर मीटिंग्स अगेन आंसर इसका है प्रोफेसर गेटिनोड realized that whatever he had experienced was based on what he was thinking at the time of his accident. Rajendra Desamra's explanation satisfied him through his other world experience. He also understood the fact that the president in a meeting is not welcomed by the audience. They are only interested in listening to the speakers. Hence, he decided never to preside over meetings again.